Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will talk about something very amazing. But before that, tell me one thing. Ever wished you could generate stunning, engaging content without spending hours on design? What if I told you if you had a magic wand that could turn your ideas into eye-catching visuals in just a few clicks? Well, today's your lucky day. Creating high quality content can be a huge time sink. From brainstorming ideas to crafting visuals, it often feels like a never ending task. And if you're juggling multiple projects, it can get overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline this process using just two incredible tools, ChatGPT and Canva? Together, they're like the dynamic duo of content creation and they'll save you time and effort. Let me show you how. First is ChatGPT. This AI powered tool can help you brainstorm ideas, generate text, and even create engaging headlines. For this, we have to give a prompt to ChatGPT. As you see, this is a simple prompt and we get the output in the form of table. So let me copy this, and the next that we have Canva. You go to design tool. Canva offers thousands of templates and design elements that can transform your text into beautiful visuals. Whether you need a social media post, a flyer, or an infographic, Canva's got you covered. So what we have to do is copy that table from ChatGPT and in Canva go to apps option, and in apps there is a bulk create option. Click on it and paste that table from that we copied from ChatGPT here and click on done. The last step is to connect data with the particular data points. In this case, I am connecting side hustle name with this portion and the description with this. Okay, so generate. Boom! Here's where the magic happens. By combining ChatGPT's content generation with Canva's design prowess, you can create unlimited content with just a few clicks. And there you have it. Stunning, custom content ready to go with just few clicks. No more long hours of content creation, just quick, efficient and eye-catching results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on streamlining your content creation process. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you.